Hey guys, this video today is about how I bond with my rabbit and how I learned to, because she was quite skittish when I bought her. So yeah, this is going to be how I bond with her. So right now I'm just sitting in her cage area, and I was just doing some cleaning and she came over and I started to pet her, and she started to make that rabbit, like the sound they make when they purr. They're like, with their teeth, they're like, it's hard to explain. I'll see if she makes it again. But yeah, this is how I do this. So I just sit in here, I'm playing with my phone, or I'm on the phone with my friends, and I come in here and I play music and get her used to noises, or play a talk radio during the day. So yeah, I have a radio that I put in here during the day that has talk radio and music. So it's about sports and it's for men, but that doesn't matter because she's just getting used to voices. So that's a good idea to do, and to just sit in here and pet your rabbit, and sit in here and just like sit up against the wall, and then every time they come to you, give them a treat. She's kind of tired now, but every time they come to you, give them a treat, and then after they're just coming up to you for treats, like give them pieces of veggies or something that they really like, or pellet or something like that. And then after you pass that stage, when they start coming up by you, just give them praise and pet them. So that's really how I do that. But my rabbit's hard because she lets anybody she doesn't know pick her up, but because she knows me, she won't let me pick her up. So yeah, so that's okay, right, bud? Yeah, she loves to be pet though. So yeah, that's basically just how I do it, and give them tons of houses and different things that they like to hide in. So yeah, that's just basically what you should do. So good luck bonding with your rabbit, and if it bonds with more people, then it bonds with you, and it just doesn't seem to like you, just don't take it personal, and they'll learn to love you. They will. And make sure to be the one to feed them for their first few nights. If your parents are going to help you out, make sure they talk to them, because I realized my grandma was feeding her for me, and she's gotten like more used to my grandma, letting my grandma hold her sometimes. But so yeah, that's just the way it works with my rabbit. So I don't know if it'll work with your rabbit. So good luck. Thanks for watching. Bye.